This dance is called Some Kind of Wonderful. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, we're going to chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing step, stepping the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Repeat that going to the left. So we're going to chassé to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, then rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Step the right to the side, point the left over and cross it over the right. Step the left back to the side, touch the right beside the left. Now you're going into some hip bumps. So you're going to step the right slightly to the side. As you bump your hip to the right, you're going to bend your left knee. As you bump your hips to the left, you're going to bend the right knee. Bump to the right as you bend the left, bump to the left as you bend the right. So your knees are actually going to be bending at the same time. So it's bump, bump, bump right, bump left. So you can see how my knees are actually popping out as I'm doing those hip bumps. That set of steps once more then. Side point, off on the right. 7, 8, side, point, side, touch, bump right, left, left. Let's add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Side, point, side, touch, bump right, left. Shuffle forward on the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps. Stepping the right forward, left beside right, step the right forward. Right, close, right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight, back on the right. Shuffle back on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps again, stepping the left back, right beside left, stepping the left back. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Let's add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Side, point, side, touch, bump right, left. Right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock. Step your right forward, and you're going to step it forward so it's slightly over the left. Then point the left to the side. Step the left forward, again so it's slightly over the right, point the right to the side. Into a jazz box with a quarter turn in it, and we're going to cross at the end. So you're going to cross your right over the left, step back on that left, make that quarter turn right, you step that right to the side, cross that left over the right. So it's jazz box, quarter, cross. Now that set of steps once more then, step point off on the right. 7, 8, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross. So that is your dance. Now the music is just a little bit faster, and it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I am going to speed it up slightly as we go around the walls. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Side, point, side, touch, bump, right, left, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, side, point, side, touch, right, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, side, point, side, touch, bump, right, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross. So hopefully you managed to keep up with that. That's your 4 walls of the dance. Now there is a little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4, which is your 9 o'clock wall, after 8 counts. So after that very first section. So you do your chassé, back rock, restart at that point. So let's just do wall 4. So you can see how that restart fits in. Up to 8 counts, restart the dance. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Restart, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, side, point, side, touch. So hopefully you can see how that restart fits in. Wall 4 after 8 counts. I will shout it out to you, do not worry. So that's it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, side, point, side, touch, right, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, side, point, side, touch, right, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, side, point, side, touch, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, chassé. This is your restart wall. Restart, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, side, point, side, touch, right, left, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, point, cross, back, turn, cross, chassé. Side point, shuffle, step point, chassés, side point, shuffle, step point, chassés, side point, shuffle, Step point. Chassez. Side point. Shuffle. Step point.
Some kind of wonder, some kind of wonder, some kind of wonder, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hope you managed that one.